Today is finally time to remove the front and the rear windshield of the car, and I had to hire some professionals to do the job. Honestly, this is my first time ever paying anyone to do anything on one of my cars, but glass is, well, not really my specialty. The guys I hired started right away with one in the front and one in the rear to be able to remove both glass at the same time. The reason why I paid a professional to do this is, well, the car is freshly painted and one slip of the knife could mean a redo on the paint job. And well, I didn't want to risk that. Plus, the cost of tooling would cost me more than what it would actually cost for me to actually pay someone to do it. So it didn't seem worth it for me to tackle this job myself. Once the front windshield was removed, they began working on the back, installing the new Honda or original Honda seal for the rear glass. I wanted to remove the tint at this point, but they recommended me not to because it could ruin the defrost on the rear windshield. Once the new seal was put on, they went ahead and added window weld to the glass and then installed the rear glass very carefully, making sure that they didn't get any urethane anywhere. I felt like the guy was attracted to my car because he was rubbing it a certain way. Once we got the rear glass installed, it was time to do the front. This is a primer that they add to the front windshield. This is to make sure that any bare metal gets covered so that it doesn't begin to rust, and also a good bond of the urethane in the front. So without that primer, there could be a chance that the urethane peels or doesn't seal properly. So once the new seal was installed, and it was time to add some more window weld to the front glass and then install the front glass, of course. While they were installing the glass, I was the certified flashlight holder. In about an hour, they were done putting the front windshield and the rear windshield, and it came out great, no scratched paint. So I went ahead the next day after getting hand-delivered Starbucks by my girlfriend to wash the car. They recommended 24 hours, and I gotta say, the windows look amazing. They really set off the car in a certain way that I just really enjoy. And honestly, this car is starting to look like a brand new car. And of course, with the brand new windshield in the front, the car looks super clean. I'm gonna remove all of the remaining tint on the car, except for the sunroof's tint. And this thing is gonna look beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching. The car is almost completed as far as the bodywork and paint goes, but we do have some more suspension and engine work we need to do. So stay tuned for the rest of it.